નમસ્તે મિત્રો, હું દેવાંગ પ્રજાપતિ, ઉપનિષદ સાયન્સ એકેડમી લીમખેડાથી. આપ સૌ ઘરે બેઠા રસાયણ વિજ્ઞાનના વિડીયો જોઈ શકો એના માટે મારી ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો. ચેનલનું નામ છે દેવાંગ સર.
I Devang Prajapati from Upanishad Science Academy Limkheda. Today we are going to start the new chapter of Standard 12. Chemistry is a subject. Okay, part 1. The chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is General Principles and Processes of Isolation. My dear friends, this chapter is not new for you people. Okay, already same kind of the chapter you people have studied in the standard 10. Okay, in the chapter of the metals, where different techniques were there, okay, to isolate the metals from earth crust. Okay, what is ore, different name of the minerals, even the ions, ores, okay, froth flotation method, electrolysis method. Okay, all these things we have to study it again, but into the greater detail. Okay, so let's start the chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is General Principles and Processes of Isolation.
Hello friends, Standard 12, General Principles and Processes of Isolation of Elements, short number 1. This will be starting from the NCERT book, page number 147 and 148. So let's start. General Principles and Processes of Isolation of Elements, the name of the chapter, chapter number 6 from the part 1 chemistry subject. First, before starting the chapter, there are few basic information. Okay, there are few elements which are available in free form in the nature. They are carbon, sulfur, gold and noble elements. Noble elements, my dear friends, you know, that is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These all are the noble elements. Majority of the elements, they are available in free form in the nature. For the purification of the metals from its ore, metallurgy is necessary. So first of all, now let's study about what is metallurgy. The processes of metallurgy and isolation should be such that it is chemically feasible and commercially viable. Now, the definition of metallurgy: the entire scientific and technological process used for isolation of the metal from its ore is known as metallurgy. Now, what is minerals? Minerals which are naturally occurring chemical. They are the naturally occurring chemical substances in the earth crust obtainable by mining. So that is considered to be the minerals. Then what is meant by ores? Out of many minerals in which a metal may be found, only a few are viable to be used as a sources of that metal. Such minerals are known as ores. Then what is meant by gangue? Rarely an ore contains only a desirable substances. It is usually contaminated with the earthly or undesired materials. So these undesired materials are known as gangue. Here in the diagram you can see that the gangue is outside. At the center of the gangue you will find the mineral. Now let's discuss all this terminology together. The first one, it was the minerals. The naturally occurring chemical substances in the earth's crust which are obtained by mining are known as minerals. Metals may or may not be extracted profitably from them. The second one, that is ores. The rocky materials which contain sufficient quantity of mineral so that the metal can be extracted profitably or economically, which is known as ores. Then third one, that is gangue. The earthly or undesirable materials present in ore are known as gangue. The metallurgy, the entire scientific and technological processes used for isolation of the metal from its ore is known as metallurgy. So these are the all are the few basic terminology. Okay. Then occurrence of metals. Okay. Among metals, aluminum is the most abundant. It is the third most abundant element in the earth crust by the percentage, that is 8.3 by weight. Aluminum is 8.3 percentage and the iron is 5.0 percentage. Now let's discuss the number wise the symbol of the elements. The first one is the oxygen, which is having the 46.6 percentage. Second one is the silicon, the percentage that is 27.8. Aluminium, that is the third one, 5.3 percentage. Iron, 5.0 percentage. Calcium, that is 3.6 percentage. Sodium, that is 6 number, 2.8 percentage. 7 number is potassium, 2.6 percentage. 8 number is magnesium, 2.0 percentage. Now let's discuss the table, that is metal, its ores and composition. First one is the aluminum. Aluminum is having two ores, one is bauxite and second is kaolinite. Both the compositions are given over here. AlOx inside the bracket OH3 minus 2x. Kaolinite is Al2H4 Si2O5. So these are the two ores of the aluminum. Now the second one is the iron. So iron is having four ores. One is hematite, Fe2O3, magnetite, Fe3O4, siderite, FeCO3, that is FeCO3, iron pyrites, FeS2 or Fus2. So you can remember it, Fe2O3, remove 2, 3, keep it over there, 3, 4, so Fe3O4, FeCO3, that is FeCO3, Fus2, that is FeS2. So this is the four ores of the iron. Now the next one, that is copper. Copper is having also the four ores. The first one, that is copper pyrites, CuFeS2. Malachite, CuCO3 dot CuOH twice. Cuprite, Cu2O. Copper glans, Cu2S. The fourth one, that is zinc. The ores are zinc blende or sphalerite, that is ZnS. Calamine, that is ZnCO3, that is zinc carbonate, and zincite, that is ZnO. Okay, so this table you need to remember it. Okay, so many MCQs can be prepared from this table, my dear students. So you have to remember this particular table. Then the extraction and the isolation of metals from its ores involve the following major steps. The first one, that is the concentration of the ore. So where we need to concentrate the ore. Okay, more amount of the metals we want from the ore. So that is the first step. Okay. Then the second one, that is the isolation of the metal from its concentrated ore. We have to isolate the metal, okay, from the concentrated ore, okay, which will remove the other impurities as well as the gangue by the different process. And that is the next one, that is the purification of the metal. So in the purification of the metal, we have to remove the other contaminated substance and we have to increase the concentration of the main metal which we want. Okay, so these three steps, okay, one by one we'll be discussing in the next video. Okay, so till here we'll be keeping. Thank you.